We wanted to get some video for Aunt Jen of Jefferson crawling. You just found Sadie's toy. That's Sadie's toy. No. We don't want to put Sadie's toy in her mouth. Can you give Aunt Jen a kiss? Give her a kiss. Yeah! One more kiss. Okay, let's show her how you crawl. Come on. Girl, settle down. Come to Mama. Okay, Mama's coming in here. Mama's coming in the bathroom. Here he comes. Yeah, you're a good crawler. Sadie, stop. Look at him go. I tell you, I don't know how he makes it with these dogs. Sadie, sissy, no. He found his bath toys. Yeah. Did you find something? Sadie, come here. Sit. What'd you find? I swear these dogs. What'd you find? Did you find your bath toys? Buddy. Are you trying to reach it? Oh, you're trying to get the big ducky? Oh, you got it. Yeah, good job. But we want to see you crawl a little bit more. Can we see you crawl? Okay. Mama's leaving. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. Jefferson. Come on. Come here, baby. One more crawl for Aunt Jen. Here, let's put this up. Hey, come here. Buddy, come here. I bet I can do this. Here. Let go. Okay. Crawl to your toys. Whoa. Crawl to your toys. Yeah, good job. You see how short his hair is? Alright, well, we just wanted to show you a little bit of his crawling. Can you say bye-bye to Jen? Hey, buddy, can you say bye-bye to Aunt Jen? Sweetie. Oh, you better say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right, bye.